Hey guys, this is Kashish Nana Arya working as an intern at Pixel Labs. So today I am going to talk to you about the critical business challenges solved by Salesforce. Here we are going to tell you about what are the critical business challenges and how Salesforce can overcome them. So the first thing is that understanding your customer's customer. How are you able to sell to and to retain the customers if you don't understand their needs, key contacts, and what account activities and transactions have taken place? With Salesforce, you will track all of your important customer data in one place. So you will develop solutions that deliver real value to your customers, which successively should mean higher customer satisfaction with their customers. Second thing is that centralizing the customer information under one roof. How much time have you ever wasted tracking down the customer's contact? So with Salesforce, you will be able to quickly centralize and organize your contacts or accounts, so you will make the most of that information once you have to. The third thing is about expanding the funnel. Inputs and outputs, right? The more leads you generate and pursue, the greater the prospect that your revenue will grow. You will be able to plan, manage, measure, and improve lead generation, qualification, and conversion with Salesforce. You will be able to see what proportions of businesses you and your team generates, the sources of that business, and who in your team is making it happen. Another thing is about working as a team. How many times have you ever thought that your own co-workers happen the way of selling? Sometimes the challenge is not the people or the technology, but standardizing the processes and clarifying the roles and responsibilities. With Salesforce, you will be able to define the teams and processes for sales, marketing, and customer service so the hand knows what the proper hand is doing. Although Salesforce doesn't solve corporate alignment issues, you now have the tool that may drive and manage better team collaboration. Another one is collaborating together with your partners. In many industries, selling directly could be a thing of the past. To achieve leverage and canopy more territory, many companies run through partners. Your channel team can track and associate partners by using Salesforce communities. Partners now can strengthen their relationships with their vendors by collaborating more easily on joint sales and marketing efforts. Next one is beating the competition. How much money have you ever lost to competitors? What percentage times did you lose a deal only to get after the actual fact that is visited your archenemy? If you recognize who you are up against, you will probably better positions yourselves to win the chance. With Salesforce, you and your teams can track the competition on deals, collect competitive intelligence, and develop action plans to deal with your foes. Another is improving the customer service. With Service Cloud, you will be able to efficiently capture, manage, and resolve a high volume of customer issues that are available from a range of communication channels. By managing cases in Commission Cloud, sales representatives get visibility into the health of their accounts and repair can stay well informed of sales and account activity. The most important reason is accessing anytime and anywhere. The mobile revolution that hit your personal life is now an oversized part of our professional life too. So people can work from home or from anywhere in this new universe of cloud-based business programs. Globalization means offices are oftentimes displayed. You expect to urge access to information from multiple devices easily and reliably. With Salesforce, you will be able to access and manage your critical customer information at 3 p.m. or 3 a.m. online or offline, also in multiple languages and from multiple devices. So the last thing is running your business within the cloud. Salesforce success has empowered a full new generation of managers and administrators to become Business operations gurus. Cloud computing's generally lower licensing costs, its ability to permit system configuration to happen with no prior programming experience, and its ability to create modifications quickly to the system means that newer businesses can compete with slower, older, bigger competitors but at a fraction of the value. So guys, that's all for now. If you are looking for a Salesforce consulting services, check Pixel Apps. The link is in the description.